Hello everybody, this is Nathan Adams Cars, driving my 2015 Acura TLX 2.4. This is a 4-cylinder, and if you know anything about these cars, this one comes with the 8-speed dual clutch transmission. And I have people asking me, hey Nathan, why does it matter what kind of transmission the car has? You know, I got this nice deal out of Nissan, you know what, and they have, you know, a lot better deal over there. Well, you know what? If you look at the drive of the car, it might have the same power and everything, but it doesn't have the same transmission. Some of the cars may have the same exact specs, but the one difference is the transmission. And I'll tell you what, that can be a huge difference. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. If you look at a car that has a CVT, continuously variable transmission, it is transmitting the power from the engine to the wheels smoothly and efficiently. That's why they call it continuously variable. It's able to change and transmit that power at a different rate as it so desires continuously. But a traditional transmission uses gears, and it has like steps. A bigger gear is meant for higher speeds, and it's meant to distribute the power more slowly, whereas a lower gear has a lower speed but can transmit that power a lot more quickly. So you get more torque at a lower gear and you get more top speed at a higher gear. Okay? CVTs don't really have gears, it just stretches and expands, and that's how it can make the engine's power varied continuously. So, but without getting into the boring mechanicals, I will show you how this dual clutch, which is able to shift gears very quickly, let me put it in the sport mode, can transmit power from this 206 horsepower engine a lot more effectively than a CVT would. There's a red light over there. I'm going to go ahead and slow down, and you can see the transmission rev matching on the downshifts for me, so that when I want to accelerate again, it's in a perfect gear for that. This car has fantastic performance, a lot of it due to that 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Some of it also due to Honda's VTEC technology, which is variable valve timing. It's able to open up the valves more when you apply more throttle. It revs higher, it allows more fuel and air mixture into the cylinder and gives you more power. But when you're on the highway just coasting around, it can open up those valves a little bit less, and it can vary that and therefore save you fuel. And that is the advantage of VTEC and the 8-speed dual clutch transmission from Acura's TLX. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I did want to make one clarification. The purpose of this video was just to make a quick one-take video talking about the transmission differences, and I didn't mean to call out Nissan specifically. They just happen to make a lot of cars with CVTs, and you know, that was a good example. But there are plenty of great cars made by Nissan and all the other brands out there. But I will use some examples from time to time, including some of those brands, and it doesn't mean they're not good brands or good cars. It just means that I don't like CVTs, and that's the reason why. For performance. But if you're getting a car for the cost efficiency, cost effectiveness, Honda also makes CVTs, and a lot of brands do, and it's just fine. But if you want a sporty performance type of car, CVTs will limit you in that regard, and dual clutches are better. That's what I meant to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, if you'd like me to talk more about this kind of stuff and demonstrate more of this kind of stuff, I'd be glad to do so. Feel free to comment on this one. And look out for more of these types of videos. Subscribe to me if you like this content. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks the third time. Thanks again. Okay, bye.